Good day. My name is Romel Joseph Cabulin, a 21-year-old student currently studying at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Pasig for my Bachelor of Science degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am proud to be both a student athlete and a scholar of Pasig, balancing my academic journey with extracurricular commitments. I bring strong skills in time management, adaptability, and teamwork. My technical abilities include proficiency in AutoCAD, advanced C++ programming, and designing circuit layouts. I am eager to apply these skills and continue learning as a student intern at your company. I am prepared to tackle challenges head-on and contribute effectively even in a short internship period. I am excited about the possibility of joining your team and making a meaningful impact. Thank you for watching my video resume. I look forward to the opportunity to work with you soon.